Hey, Austin Gardeners, do a little happy dance. We had some rain, some real rain. Happy, happy. So it is the beginning of September. We made it through August. And we're here at the demonstration beds. You can see they look really different than the last time that you saw them. We have cut down most of our plants to the soil level and added our layer of mushroom compost to begin preparing our soil for our fall gardens. So the first thing I do at the beginning of every month is I read the current month in my source book, which is Trisha Shire's Vegetable Gardening in the Southwest. It's organized by month, so if you want to know what can you do right now or in the month of September, you can read that. And I also go to Central Texas Gardener on their webpage. They have a great monthly to-do list of what you can begin from seed, transplant, herbs, what you can do to treat your yard. The other source that I'm going to is Tim Miller's lunar planting dates, which are on our website, austinorganicgardeners.org, in the planting guide. Week by week, Tim tells you what to start, what to transplant. We're about to begin all of our leafy greens for fall. Those are going out in about 3 weeks. So you can use this week not to jump in our beds. I know we've had water and it's cooling off and we're ready to get started. But use this time to do some research to start some seeds. We really don't want to be working in really drenched soil. Let those earthworms come up, do their work, aerate the soil. It's a good time to pull weeds. They come out like butter after it rains. But let your soil drain before we do any working. Again, we will be doing several segments on starting seeds, and we hope you'll join us and share your techniques for starting seeds too.